Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 1 of season 1 of Shadowing Practice with Sophia. It's so wonderful to have you here with me as we officially begin our shadowing journey together. Remember, as we go through our topic today, your main goal is to actively practice shadowing. Listen carefully to my sentences, pause the video, and then repeat them out loud. Really try to match my pronunciation, the rhythm of my speech, and my intonation. This consistent practice is what will truly help you improve your English fluency. So, for today's session, our very first topic of season 1, I want to talk about something that's relevant and beneficial for all of us: taking small steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Sometimes the idea of getting healthy can feel quite big and a little overwhelming, can't it? We might imagine drastic changes, really strict diets, or incredibly intense workout routines that seem hard to maintain. But I truly believe it doesn't have to be that way at all. In fact, making small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. And the best part is, they are much easier to stick with in the long run. These little adjustments can build powerful momentum. Let's think about something as simple as drinking more water throughout the day. Instead of feeling pressured to drink gallons right away, perhaps you could start by just adding one extra glass of water to your daily routine. Or maybe you could make it a habit to keep a water bottle on your desk or in your bag as a visual reminder. It's a small thing, but staying properly hydrated can really boost your energy levels, improve your skin, and just make you feel better overall. It supports so many bodily functions. Another small step could be incorporating a little more movement into your day. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to dedicate hours to the gym, especially if you're just starting out. It could be as simple as taking a short 10 to 15-minute walk during your lunch break. Or perhaps choosing to take the stairs instead of the elevator whenever you have the option. Maybe you can park your car a little further from your destination when you go shopping or to work and enjoy those extra few minutes of walking. These little bursts of activity really do add up and contribute to your overall fitness and well-being. And what about our eating habits? Again, small, mindful changes can be incredibly powerful. Perhaps you could try adding one extra serving of fruit or vegetables to one of your meals each day. Or maybe you decide to swap a sugary snack, like a candy bar, for something healthier, like a piece of fruit, a handful of nuts, or some yogurt. It's not about severe restriction or depriving yourself. It's more about making conscious, positive choices, one at a time, that nourish your body. Even getting enough quality sleep is absolutely crucial for our health, and small adjustments here can make a noticeable difference. Maybe you could try to go to bed just 15 or 20 minutes earlier for a week and see how that impacts your energy the next day. Or you could establish a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading a book for a short while or listening to some calming music, instead of scrolling on your phone right before you sleep. This can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. These kinds of everyday topics, using common phrases and a natural speaking rhythm, are absolutely perfect for your shadowing practice. As you listen and repeat these sentences, you're not just learning individual words, you're internalizing how English flows in a real, natural conversation. You're practicing the music of the language. So, these are just a few ideas for small, manageable steps towards a healthier lifestyle. The key is to find what works best for you, to be patient with yourself, and to celebrate the small victories along the way. Remember, every little bit counts, and consistency is far more important than perfection. I hope this gives you some inspiration for your own life, and of course, some great sentences and phrases to practice your shadowing with today. Keep up the wonderful effort. You're doing great by being here and practicing. I'm already looking forward to our next session together in episode 2. Bye for now.